Yo YouTube, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, it's just gonna be something real quick. I just got some lights in the mail, and let me just grab them out of my car here. Let's see. So these guys right here just showed up in the mail, and what these are well, what I'm hoping they are. I bought them kind of on a whim, thinking they were the right lights, but I'm pretty sure they are the lights that will go right in up there for lighting up my license plate. I'll do a quick start up with the car, show you guys what it looks like right now, and then once I get these LEDs in, we'll check it out again and see how much brighter they are. Anyways, let's get right to it. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. Just make sure that's zoomed out. So there's the two spots there. That's the halogen stock setup. It's not very bright at all. Like right now it's kind of daytime, so it's hard to tell, but it just doesn't really do the greatest job of lighting that up. So let's see if we can't get these. There's two caps on here and here. So we're gonna pop those plastic caps off and see if we can fit these new lights in. Alright guys, so I actually just I'm playing with a bunch of settings here. So I just popped one of these caps off of, I can't see what I'm looking at, off of this guy here. I just did one by myself just so I could figure out how to get it off. There's a little like foam gasket kind of thing in here, so just be careful if you're doing this on your own Mazda not to damage it. But so let me just slide the light on over here and I can show. So if you go in and just stick a flathead screwdriver, I'm blocking the light, but in and just pry it outwards, it just pops right off. And once it pops like that, you can go in and, like I said, it's got that foam gasket that is kind of sealing too. So it might take a bit of playing to get that off. I'm gonna put the camera on the mount just to get that piece off. So peel that gasket away from the plastic lid. So yeah, this is the gasket right here. This is the light cover. And I'm going to try to stick this gasket back up in there so it stays up there. Alright, so I got that gasket in and it's kind of a pain, but from this point it's pretty straightforward. You just kind of reach up and try to grab the bulb out. It can be kind of tough if you don't have small fingers, apparently. There we go. So I got the bulb out. That was a major pain in the ass, actually. So now that that is out, I'm just going to double check here so that this bulb and this are, I'm going to drop my phone. They're pretty much the same size, so I'm pretty confident I did get the right bulb here. So I'm going to put that little bulb off to the side and stick this new one up in there. So I can give you guys kind of a shot of what it looks like. So you can see it just kind of fits up into that cartridge. Polarity, I hope doesn't matter because I just chucked it in one way. I'm gonna go turn the accessory port on and see if that lights up. If it doesn't, then maybe it's wrong polarity or it's just a terrible bulb. Like I said, I bought them, it was $2 for a pack of 10, so the bulbs might not be the greatest. Anyways, let's go turn the accessory lights on and see if it lights up. Hey, great success. That is lit, and as you can tell, comparing this one right here to this guy right here, this guy is a lot brighter. So I'm going to quickly switch out the second one and then we'll get a full view of how it looks. The only thing I'm slightly worried about, I don't know if you can really tell from the shot, is these sit a bit lower, like this way, so I'm hoping the caps still fit on them pretty well. Alright, so second bulb is out. Time to grab another one of these guys. So yeah, there's a light on there as well as lights all along the ring. I don't know if that went into focus at all, but yeah, so they're pretty decent. I'm going to see if I can get a shot of this going in. Just kind of like fits in. Push it up till it's snug. And I'm just trying not to knock my phone over. You can see that's all the way in. You can see how low that sits. So I guess now we'll find out if these covers fit on well, but I'm gonna put my camera down to make sure that gasket fits tight and they stay sealed. All right, so the covers are in. It looks like the lights are pretty much pushed right up against the covers, so they are very snug. Well, let's go light this thing up and see how it looks. Alright, so that's the final shot right there. It is substantially brighter. Just for anybody wondering, a little bag of these lights costs about $2 on eBay, and I think, yeah, it has 10 of them. So yeah, I only needed the 2, but I don't know if there's anywhere else I can use them on the car. I also have some interior lights that I bought off eBay also that should be coming hopefully in a day or 2, so I'll get a video of that recorded up soon also. Anyways guys, as always, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow, and I'm really having fun making these videos, so yeah, hopefully there'll be more content soon. Like I said, I got the interior lights on their way, so that should be following after this pretty quick. Anyways, this has been Rain City Cars, and I'm out. Peace.